Kobe is trying to pierce his eyebrow. Come on, Kobe, take it like a man. Just
stick it through?
Stick it through.
Look, there it is.
Oh, yes. I don't know. Let me see. Tap it. It was tap this time. Does it hurt?
Huh?
Hello, in here. Well, this is new. I'm working on my digestive health. What you eating? Your Plus. It's the yogurt for digestive health. It's delicious. Here. Blackberry pomegranate.
Hurt? It's gotta hurt. You keep stopping.
Well, my hands are getting sweaty.
You want me to do it? I'll do it for you. You won't feel a thing.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming through.
Is it coming through?
Yeah, look.
I see it.
Oh,
What? What, Kobe?
Yeah. What are you gonna do once you get through there? Kobe's gonna be professional. Did you get it through?
It's through.
Are you starting to sweat?
Yeah, I'm starting to sweat. It's hot in here.
I told you I'd do it for you.
She's through. Just gotta push it a little bit harder.
We are educators helping people build a foundation for the rest of their lives. ITT Technical Institute, education for the future. Call 1-800-ITT-TECH or visit us on the web.
There you go. You're gonna stab your eye out.
Yeah, no shit.
You hurt me over.
I can't clip it.
It's my pen collection. Pen collection.
Let me see.
Yeah, I have a hot dog pen and a pizza pen. I have a pickle pen, lots of food. Okay, can you pass me your pens? Every girl wants to be a model, and ever since I was young, I had always done, the model.
You look like you're in pain.
So you got 5 pens in front of you. You got the hot dog, space shuttle, pickle, cactus, and pizza. 5 pens. Tell me 5 top models working now. Okay, we have. Sorry, I'm a little nervous.
You did a good job. A fine job. Yeah, what's your mama gonna say? Look, he did it.
Overwhelming to be here. Last week I was at home helping my mom chores around the house.
Oh, it looks like it
When I
hurts.
take it out, it was swollen up.
Did you boil that pen first?
I put it on
We
the
burnt it.
Yeah, I burnt it.
You did a fine job, Kobe.